Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be modeling this table. Let's quickly start then. The first thing that we are opening a sketch on top plane and creating a rectangle which is 100 by 600 millimeter dimension. This is going to be our planar surface, and we are now going to open with the help of front plate another plane on this point. When you click on the point, automatically our plane is created there. And now a plane is selected. We open a new sketch and we are going to create a square. To control button, I am creating equality and giving here a dimension of 600 millimeter, and now with the spline between 2 points we are going to give the angle and dimensions of spline control points. This is going to be 55, and here our tangency is going to be 0, and control points 500, control point 600. Now our spline is done. With extruded surface we are just creating 100 millimeter kind of this form. Now we need a mirror plane. First we choose a surface where our plane going to be perpendicular, and then other 2 point. As you see, between 2 point and perpendicular to our top surface, I create a mirror plane. Now we select mirror and 2 surface, and now we go boundary surface and we select our 2 corners. Between our corner we create tangency. Let's try the other ones. And it's tangency done. The other first 4 surface was just help surface. We are not going to use them. Now on top plane, by axis command, I am creating a axis by clicking a point and a circular pattern. This is a body circular 4 times. I'm creating a surface. Now we are going to create a closing surface just by clicking basically 2 point planar surface. You can create it again. We choose an axis and circular pattern, and 4 times. Our body is almost done. We now using a planar surface again, where we close our bottom. We create now a closed boundary and a solid by knitting surface. And with shell we are creating 70 millimeter thick shell here. Now I close all my unnecessary planes. We are on top plane, and in the corner I am creating 10 thick rectangle by choosing it with linear sketch pattern. I am copying 20 times, so it's going to be in y-axis 20 here, let's say 50 millimeter distance, to make sure that they are equally spaced without dimension. I'm bringing my last point to another corner, and basically we are creating now a boss extrude, which is here fake vertex, and my body little bit above of surface, like 10 mm is enough. Sorry, merge surface, merge result not going to be there. I'm hiding my main geometry, and we are going to create a move copy rotate by this axis, and our solid bodies, which is 20 piece. We didn't specify degree, here going to be 90 degree, and now we create now and combine everything, going to be combined except the main formed surface. We are done. Now we are going to create a fillet in the inner surfaces by clicking one surface. I am choosing my other options. Normally if we choose here no preview, result going to be shown easily in the program, because somehow creating a preview always take me a lot of time, but we are not able to change it now. We are just going to a little bit wait. Program is calculating. Yes, almost calculated. As you see, 1447 edges going to be now reduced, filtered. That's why it's a little bit taking time. I think almost done. No preview, and now our program choose another for unnecessary corner that I'm going to delete them by clicking basically the surface itself, corner itself, or edge we can say. Yeah. Also I have one more here. I think now everything is done. A little bit waiting. Sorry. Yeah, basically it's there. Now the thing we are going to make a combine option, present comments, we are going to create a common our program going to extract as what common surfaces and areas in the two different model, and then we are going to reach our exact result easily. This could be done by creating also little many little square cuts but without that I fix my model. Now appearances, under appearance organic, and from here wood we are going to assign to our model. And the last thing that we are going to do, creating a glass on the top surface. We are going to find firstly center. I think that was the center. Yeah. Again we are making a quality 1500 on the corners, 4 time a radius, which is 100 millimeter, and now again an extruded wall space 10 millimeter, and it's done. Again our appearances, from here we are choosing a glass and assigning the model our glass, and as you see our model is done. This is much simple. I think everybody easily can do that by following the steps. Thank you for watching. I hope it is a useful video for you.